The Gansu mudslide occurred on August 8, 2010 at approximately 12 a.m. I believe we briefly touched on this specific mudslide in class. We were concerned about the location of the city in relation to its surrounding geographic features. As you can see in the image, the city and the surrounding farmland seem to be located in the deposition zone directly below the source area of potential mass movement events. In this case, that mass movement was a mudslide. The city, which covered roughly 2 square kilometers and housed 42,000 residents, was destroyed by the mudslide. The slide was said to be 5 stories tall during its flow, about 50 feet, and it ended up covering a 5-kilometer long by 300-meter wide area, with mud averaging about 5 meters in depth. So, what were the hill slope processes that caused such a massive and deadly mudslide? First of all, the forested areas in the province had decreased by nearly 30% since 1950. This deforestation had large effects on the fluvial and erosion processes in the area. Since the vegetation had been removed, there wasn't as much structure holding the soil and rock together. This highly reduced the cohesion and the sheer strength of the slopes in the surrounding province areas. Multiple studies concluded that the amount of sand in the river greatly increased, which is a clear sign that there are some erosive processes that could be dangerous. In fact, 2 researchers gave a warning to the province before the mudslide. Secondly, there was a huge amount of rain in the province during this time, like a 1 in 100 year kind of event. This rain caused a lot of water buildup behind a debris field located above the city. When this water finally caused the natural dam to break, there was an unnatural amount of sediment that went along with it, causing the mudslide. This means that the slopes above the city were transport limited due to the deforestation, and these readily available sediments moved with the water, and that is that. Lastly, the slope of the land at the mouth of the valley and above was above 50 degrees, which is steep enough for the failure plane to cause a mass movement event. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much.